Elementor is powerful, but starting from a blank page is where most designs die. So in this video, I'm going to use Claude Ultra Code to build a full premium website first, fix the design with screenshots, and then publish it inside Elementor without manually building every section from scratch. First, I'll open Claude Code and set the effort to Ultra Code. Since this is not a basic layout, I want Claude to think through the spacing, typography, animations, product sections, hover effects, and responsive design properly. Once Ultracode is selected, I'll upload the reference image, paste the main website prompt, and hit enter. Now this will take a few minutes because Claude is generating the full landing page, not just a small section. Once it's done, I'll open the preview and check what it created. And honestly, for one prompt, this is already a solid start. The structure is there, the sections are built, the typography has that bold product campaign feel, and when I scroll down, the page already has subtle animations and hover effects. But the first version is never the final version. The hero section is missing the main character image, and without that, the whole design feels incomplete. So I'll go back to Claude Code, upload the hero PNG, paste the next prompt, and tell it to place the character inside the hero section in front of the big background text. Once Claude updates the site, I'll preview it again. Now the hero instantly feels better. The character is in place, the section has a stronger visual focus, and the website finally starts looking like a premium VR landing page instead of a rough AI draft. But there's still one problem. The big text behind the character does not look dramatic enough yet, and this is where the workflow gets interesting. Instead of trying to explain everything from scratch again, I'll simply take a screenshot of the current website, upload it back into Claude Code, and tell it exactly what needs to be fixed. I'll ask Claude to make the background text much bigger, keep it on one line, place it properly behind the character, clean up the header spacing, and make the whole hero section feel closer to the original reference. This is the part that makes Claude Code really useful. You are not just prompting blindly anymore. You are giving it the actual output and saying, fix this. After Claude makes the changes, I'll preview the website again, and now the hero looks much closer. The big background text feels intentional, the character sits in front of it, the header looks cleaner, and the whole page feels more like a finished design. Now that the design is ready, I'll ask Claude for the complete final code for the full website, not just the hero section, the full landing page, and I'll tell it to make the code ready for an Elementor HTML widget with the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript all inside one single code block. Once Claude gives me the code, I'll copy it and move to WordPress. Inside WordPress, I'll go to Pages, click Add New, and then open the page with Elementor. From the Elementor sidebar, I'll search for the HTML widget, drag it into the page, and paste the code there. Now I'll preview the page inside Elementor. If something looks slightly off, I don't need to manually fix every spacing issue. I can just take another screenshot, send it back to Claude Code, ask it to fix the exact problem, and paste the updated code back into the HTML widget. Once everything looks good, I'll publish the page and open the final website. And that's the workflow. Claude Ultra Code builds the design, screenshots help refine it, and Elementor becomes the place where we publish the final page. So Claude Code does not replace Elementor, it removes the blank page problem. Instead of dragging sections one by one and guessing the design as you go, you start with a complete website, fix it visually, and then bring it into WordPress. That's what makes Elementor web design way easier.